Now guys, we start the naming of acid amide functional group, which is also very important, and the functional group is CO double bond O NH2. Okay, in this you are able to see that we are going with 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine, 3 degree amine. When this nitrogen group is having a one side carbon, so 1 degree amine. When this nitrogen is having two sides carbon, 2 degree amine. When this nitrogen having three sides carbon, 3 degree amine. Okay, now acid amide prefix name is, we can say, carbamoyl, and there is a types of suffix, we can say acidamide and carboxamide. Acidamide means carbon included, and we can say carbon not included. In this we can say parent chain having a carbon included. Now we are going with the questions, so you are very clear with this. Now in this you are able to see that example number 1. In example number 1, the parent chain containing only one carbon, and the carbon is also included, so we can say it is nothing but one carbon is meth, so we can say methanamide. We can say this is nothing but methanamide. In the second example, you are able to see the parent chain is containing two carbon, so we can say this is nothing but ethanamide. Now in the example number 3, you are able to see that this NH having a methyl, so we can say this one is N-methyl. This is the position of methyl. Okay, so N position there is a methyl, we can say ethanamide. Now if you are able to see that in example number 4, there is a N position two methyl groups, so we can say N comma N dimethyl ethanamide. Now in example number 5, there is a cyclic chain 1 2 3 4 5 6. We take it as parent chain. This carbon is not included, and whenever the carbon is not included in the parent chain, we use carboxamide. So in example number 5, if you are able to see that example number 3 is clear, 4 is clear. Okay, in example number 5, if you are able to see that the 5 is carbon is not included, so we can say cyclohexane carboxamide. I hope this very clear to you. Now we are going with example number 6. In this there is a parent chain is of 3 carbon, and methyl is having N position and 1 2 position also. So you are able to see that when we naming with this, so we can say N methyl, then we can say 2 methyl, N methyl, then 2 methyl propanamide. In this we are going with a different. Okay, N methyl and 2 methyl, that is total different. Or we can say one thing directly, N comma 2 dimethyl. If you remember in Easter, first of all, we whenever the compound is attached with the oxygen atom, so we write first, but in this we are not going with this. We can say N comma 2 dimethyl, means methyl is attached with N position and 2 position, so N comma 2 dimethyl propanamide. In example number 7, if you are able to see that this is a spiro compound, so we have to give the functional group as a minimum number, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So 7 has a double bond, so we can say spiro 4 comma 4 non 7 in 2 carboxamide, 2 carboxamide. Now in example number 8, you are able to see that this is a bicyclo compound, because in this there is a 2 common carbon, and so we have to give the acidamide minimum number, and in this we start numbering with the common carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. After this we have to give the double bond as a minimum number, so we can say bicyclo 2 2 2 oct 5 in 2 carboxamide. bicyclo 2,2,2 oct 5-ene 2-carboxamide. I hope guys this is very clear to you. If you like it, then subscribe the channel and share it.